So, we're going to apply the two methods. How to get the answer or the sum or difference of two dissimilar fraction. Okay, step 1. What are the steps? Factor the denominators completely. Okay, so since our given denominator is only a monomial, kahit mag-proceed na agad tayo kay step 2. Okay, kasi hindi naman factorable or mabilis naman kunin yung LCD, so proceed na tayo kay step 2. So magpo-proceed ka lang class kay step 2 if the given denominator is only monomial. Okay, very good. So what do you think is the LCD of 8 and 16? Yes, Iho. Yes, 24. Okay, how to get the LCD of the given variable? Okay, the question is, meron ba tayong common variable? What is the given variable here? M and N. Dito? Okay, so if we have a common variable, step 1, write the given variables. Then after that, get the highest degree or highest exponent. Ano yung mataas na exponent kay M? M squared or M cube? Si cube yung kukunin natin. Di ba sa GCF yung pinakamababa? This time sa LCD, pinakamataas. How about N? N raised to 4, N. N raised to 4. So this time, our LCD is 24 N cube, N raised to 4. Step 2, after getting the LCD, what's next? Divide and times. Divide the LCD by the first denominator. So this will become 24 M cubed, N raised to 4, divided by what? 8 M squared, N raised to 4. Okay, 24 divided by 8? 3. How about M cubed divided by M? M. Then what we're going to do with M? Cancel na lang yan. Why? Because parehas ng variable, parehas din sila na exponent. Then after getting the answer, multiply it again by 5. Okay, 3M times 5. 15M. Write na natin sa numerator. Plus, next tayo, same procedure. 24M cubed, N raised to 4, divided by 6M cubed, N. Okay, 24 divided by 6. 4. M cubed divided by M cubed. Cancel. N raised to 4 divided by N. N cube. Why? N cube. 4 minus 1, 3. Kaya N cube. Then multiply it again by 2. 4 times 2, 8. Then copy the variable, N cube. So this will become 8 N cube. After getting the answer, last step, simplify. Do you think we can simplify 15 and 8? May common factor ba si 15 and 8? Wala po. How about M and N cube? Sino common factor niya? Okay, wala po anak common factor. Why? Ito ay M, ito naman ay N. And we cannot cancel M and N. Why? Because this is binomial and this is only a monomial. So kung wala na, therefore, ito na ang ating final answer. Okay, do you understand? Now this time, we're going to apply the butterfly method. Same tayo ng given. We have 5 over 8n squared. May naririnig ako dito sa row 4. Okay, first get the using a butterfly method. So we're going to multiply 5 by 6m cubed n. So this will become 5. Write muna natin sa numerator. 5 times what? 6m cubed n. Plus, okay, next tayo. 2 times what? 8m squared n raised to 4 over. Multiply the denominator. We have 8m squared n raised to 4 multiplied by what? 6m cubed n. Then after that, apply distributive property. O distribute or simply multiply. 3 times 6. 3 times 6, 30. Then copy the variable m cubed n. Plus 2 times 8, 16. Then copy the variable m squared n raised to 4 over 8 times 6. 8 times 6, 48. M squared times m cubed. How to multiply a variable? Just copy the variable, then add the exponent. 2 plus 3. 5. Anak, plus lang. I-add lang, hindi mo multiply. Next, n raised to 4 times n. n raised to 5. Then after getting the answer, simplify natin. May mga common factors ba yan? Sino ang common factors? Si 30 at 16, ano ang common factor nila? 2. Very good. So, factor out natin, ilalabas natin si 2. Okay, m cubed, m squared. Ano GCF nun? M cubed, m squared. To get the GCF, piliin yung pinakamababang exponent. Ano mababa? M cubed, m squared. M squared ang ating GCF. Dito naman tayo. N or n raised to 4? N lang. After getting the GCF, get the remaining factor. 30 divided by 2. 15. M cubed divided by m squared. M. Then cancel na si n. Plus 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. Parang bumabagal na. M squared divided by m squared. Cancel. M raised to 4 divided by n. N cubed. Over 48. M raised to 5 and raised to 5. Sino na pwede i-cancel? Sino pwede i-cancel ngayon? IT 2 and 48. Why? Because this is only monomial. Ito rin ay monomial. Okay, 2 and 48 are both divisible by 2. So 2 became and 48 became 24. Sino pa? M squared at m raised to 5. Taas, baba. Saan matitira si m? Taas, baba. Baba. So, si m squared, cancel na yan. Tama ba? So, si m raised to 5 ay magiging m cube. Bakit m cube? Because 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Dito na tayo kay n. n divided by n raised to 5. Taas, baba. Baba. So, cancel si m. Magiging ano si n raised to 5? Okay, then after nyan, meron pa ba? Pwede ba natin i-cancel to, yung nasa loob? No, because this is by... Okay, kung wala na, simplify na natin. Sino yung mga natira? We have 15 m. Wala na pong natira dito, tama ba? Ito na, 15m plus 8n cubed over 24n cubed n raised to 4. Tingnan natin kung parehas yung sagot dito. Parehas po ba? Okay, so, ibig sabihin, any method, basta kung saan kayo nadadalian, iyon ang gamitin nyo. Naintindihan?